Hi guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to try out the Fenty Unbutton Lip Stunna Lip Paint. I also did a review of the Unveil shade. I'm really loving this formula and I hope that it turns out the same exact way. But I also didn't want to just do a review of this shade. I also wanted to compare it to some other peachy shades that were released this year. That way you guys can really see, you know, like if you're a peach person, which peach shades, or even on my skin tone, what would help you out. I sound like a frog today. I don't know what's happening. But anyways, we will do comparison swatches and all that good stuff and see if it's worth the $24. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Please subscribe if you're not already, and let's go ahead and get in. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this shade on. I'm not going to do any lip liner right now. I'm going to see what it looks like on its own, and then we will do some lip liner with it, because I have a feeling we're going to need it. It is so hot and humid outside that my hair at the front just keeps curling, and it's driving me absolutely nuts. I'm like going crazy over this stupid little thing. Okay, anyways, that is the shade without any lip liner. I do think it would look better with a brownish lip liner, so I'm going to go ahead and add that in. I would say if you're maybe fairer than me, you might be okay, but I think these shades always look good with a lip liner. So I'm going to go in with the Kylie Coconut Lip Liner. Okay, I do like that much better with a lip liner. I would usually go in with like MAC Oak, but I cannot find it. So anyways, this is what it looks like. Definitely not as peach as I expected it to be when looking at the swatches online. I would say it's a really pretty nude. And for a nude, I don't mind it at all. It's not cracking in the center. It doesn't give me that like, ugh, you know, lip feeling, which is saying a lot. So definitely consistent with the other formulas, which I'm really happy about. I'm okay with it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the color. Okay, so now that you see what this color looks like on my skin tone, I'm going to show you some other peach shades, and they're from different brands that just came out recently. That way you guys know if you really need to pick this up or what other peach shades you're interested in. I collect every peach shade, to be honest, but I do have some that I've been really loving. So this is the I Love Sada E and Dose of Colors in Peachy. I actually really do love this shade. I love the formula, but it's definitely more of a peach toned color. I think this looks better on medium skin tones and darker than probably than the Fenty one. The Fenty one looks good, but definitely not as peach when you're thinking of a peach lipstick, and definitely just this one's a little bit more vibrant, gives me a little more oomph, you know. All right, let's try on a few other peaches. So this is the KKW Beauty Peach Number 2, and this is become a recent favorite of mine as well. It is just in the bullet form, but definitely a really pretty peach shade. And we will try on one more that's super vibrant. So this is the last of the newly bought peach shades. This is peach number 3 by KKW. I actually do love this. Definitely more vibrant. Definitely like you gotta have a look with this. It's not like an everyday type peach where the other ones were like more you can get away with, but still super pretty color. So if you want to see side-by-side swatches, this is the I Love Sada E Dose of Colors in Peachy. That is the Fenty Unbuttoned Peach 3 and Peach 2 by KKW. So that way you guys can see your ranges of peach. But like I said, Fenty Unbuttoned, it has a hint of peach, but definitely not as peachy as you would probably think. Or as probably as I would think. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. Let me know which shade was your favorite, what Fenty color you guys decided to pick up. I know she came out with that black shade and Unveil. Unveil was actually probably my favorite out of the two, only because it's more of a unique shade. I do feel like this is something you could find very easily in your collection. Formula is great. No complaints. It's still a gorgeous color, just something that's not as unique as maybe like the Unveil shade, or I know she just released her black shade. I probably won't be getting that only because I have a black lipstick in my collection and I very rarely use it. So I don't need to spend more money on it. I'm sure it's great though. But let me know if you guys picked up any of the Fenty shades, what are your thoughts, and I will see you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.